Good day, viewers. The day was not as bad as we have expected in the morning. Morning the market opened somewhere around 110 points down, but it slowly recovered almost fully, and then but ended up around 30 points down. All in all, not a bad day. We will take it. Yes. But all the reasons that were making the market to fall down because of the international concerns is still there. To add to that, there's a report from one of the banks, the Deutsche Bank. They said that the recession in Europe in particular and in US in general is inevitable. It is going to come. It is more the question of when rather than if. So international market is expected to trade in a negative bias. So it is going to be, at least for a foreseeable future, sell and rise market. India, even though it is better placed in terms of inflation as well as the growth, we had a growth of about 13.5%. That was great. So when compared to other countries, even then our markets are not completely decoupled from the international market, as I said in the morning. So in Indian markets also, even if there is not going to be a great fall, it is not going to pick up and go ahead anytime in the near future. So if you are a trading person, then trade with a negative bias. So as I said in the morning, either buy puts or sell calls with adequate stop loss and risk management in mind. Those who have done it yesterday evening, as some of our clients have done, and booked it intraday and again reinitiated the positions at end of the market. So they should be doing decently well tomorrow too. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow, whether this strategy will be still making money for them in the future. Now, the effects of inflation and the RBI's countermeasures for it is being felt now. SDFC has increased the home loan rate by 10 basis points. That is very, very less. It's 0.1 percentage. You could say that 0.1 percentage. So slowly the interest rates are going to go up to counter the inflation. You will see it in the personal loans as well as the home loans and various other loans, because the RBI has increased certain rates in its term. That is why it is getting reflected. Sooner or later other banks are going to follow, and probably FD rates will also go up in the near future. So that will be good news for the people who are saved and who are in the 60s and 70s, who are putting the money in the FD, and they are not able to handle things because of the low rate of return in the FD. Okay, now which are the sectors that has come up today? Auto sector has done little bad, and cement sector have done extremely well. Some stocks went up by about 5% because of news base, because there is a news that the cement companies are going to hike their prices because of the raw material prices. Metal stocks, even though has fallen in the big way in the morning, big way in the sense that in comparison, now it has recovered in the due to the by the end of the session. Bitcoin is stuck in the same place right through our trading time. It didn't move much at all. It is slightly negative, minutely, ever so minutely negative, Bitcoin. And rupee also had a very stable day. Nothing much to say about that. So as the thing stands, market didn't fall. At least it didn't close with a huge negative. It closed with a minor negative of about 30 points. Let's keep a watch over the international markets at Dow Jones and SGX Nifty also will be having it, and probably Mr. Praveen will be taking care of tomorrow's market opening session. He will be highlighting the points which going to happen in the night. So as I always say, be light in your positions, always trade with risk management, proper risk management, cover your losses, and be very, very light. These are very, very eventful times. Lot of events are pending to happen, and anything can happen. So if you are a trader, if you are an investor, no issues at all. Anyway, we are looking for a long term, and any price is good to buy if it is a value. It is blue chip company. If you are a trader, then please respect the risk management. Trade with adequate capital. Thank you. This is Suresh Kumar signing off from Zebu as well as Zebu School. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Thank you.